Johnny, Lena, well, the wind out here is insane, to say the least. It has been howling, whipping winds out here. You can see it, you can feel it, and it will quite literally try to blow you away if it can. You can tell just how much snow still coming down. This wind, though, is pushing that snow sideways. Taking a look up at some of the icicles that are now forming from that snow on businesses, they're angled in the direction that that wind is blowing. It is something we have not seen all day. The wind slowly building up, but not quite like this. Within the last hour, it has turned to another level. We have been driving around all day. We headed out to the boardwalk earlier today. Heavy snow was falling fast, blanketing the boards in white. We also drove through several parts of Cape May County and came across a few accidents. Cars that had spun out in the slick conditions, showing just how dangerous those road conditions are. For the most part, though, people were staying off the roads. Crews working to clear them. They've been spreading salt, trying to keep things passable as these conditions continue to get worse. We did speak with a few residents out here tonight, some walking their dogs, others getting a head start on shoveling before the snow piles up any higher. Take a listen to what they had to say.
A lot of wind, a lot of snow, and that's all you hear inside. It's just all the wind blowing, knocking on the windows and everything. So
after the last time when everything froze, I said to myself, this happens again. I'm coming out like every 2 hours and clearing as much as I can, as long as I could stay up. Because once that stuff iced, it was murder, and you just couldn't get it up.
Another live look out here at that wind, the snow still coming down. And, you know, you heard Ted talking about it earlier. It's a triple threat out here. It's not just the snow and the wind. We're also talking about coastal flooding that could be a potential problem for a lot of the low-lying businesses and neighbors out here in Ocean City. High tide expected to happen within now and midnight tonight. That's something that we're going to be keeping our eye on out here. For now, reporting live in Ocean City, Kelsey Kushner, NBC 10 News.